job, good job. This is her closet. Now she gotta come get her clothes. I don't got a lot of clothes. This is me, tired. Her restroom. She finna take that down. Let me see it, but you let me see it. Arms will be open, will be open. She'll be there. Arms will be open, will be open. She'll be there. Let me feel, but I feel. Let me feel, but I feel. Arms will be open, will be open. She'll be there. Let me feel, but I feel. Let me feel, but I, arms will be open, will be open. She'll be there. Let me feel, but I feel. Let me feel, but I feel. Arms will be open, will be open. She'll be there. Let me feel, but I feel. Let me feel, but I, arms will be open, will be open.
Okay, yeah, so we got the U-Haul truck, and yeah, we throwing away so much stuff so we can have a fresh start. We throwing away everything, damn near, but not everything. I know I didn't get locked in. I am still outside. Say hey to my vlog.
So to the pod.
She can. I don't know if the kids want this table, but as Musha tried, Big Head gotta come get his clothes. Nephew gotta come get his clothes. And then we got the rest of this little stuff right here. Shoe boxes, clothes. All this is packed up, y'all. I need me some coffee right now. Water. Kitchen. Dining room is clear. TVs are down. So you guys, this is the finishing touch. Master closet empty. Everything is empty here. Everything is empty out of the master bedroom. Everything is empty at the kids' restroom. Maya's room is empty. Yeah, the pool can't go, but unfortunately, hey, trampoline and stuff is gone. Backyard. I'll turn these lights off until I take my name off the light bill. Floors is spick and span. Office room. Everything at the closet is done. Nothing else on the floors. Hallway. The foyer, there's nothing there. Big head room, pink room. Big head, you want that thing on the wall? Huh? Okay. Get that charger out that wall. Living room, everything is out. I think he fine, y'all. Getting the groceries. Thanks to Kayla. Everything is out of the kitchen. Pink room. Clothes we taking with us. We put majority of the stuff garage. Yeah, it's done. Finally. Okay. You cussing? You cussing, Big Booty Judy? Yeah, she tried to pop that booty. What kind of purse is that? That's cute. What's that? Oh. So we didn't throw away all our mattresses, all our beds, everything out there, you guys, because we're not taking nothing. We want a fresh new start. We're not taking nothing, y'all. We really. Okay, forget it. We really want a fresh new start. Like, we do not want to take nothing, so that's why we do everything out. Unfortunately, got a U-Haul. We had a big U-Haul at first, and then we had went on and got the smaller U-Haul. It's about the storm. Thank God that the storm did not catch us. Yeah, I am tired. We've been moving since. Yeah, I'm tired. I had to leave work early and stuff like that just in order to help and come get the rest of the stuff out the house. Excuse me. We got stuff packed back here or whatever. So, y'all, this is the end of our vlog. We'll shoot back with y'all. We might come back with something because we still have 2 weeks left out here. Yeah, we still got 2 weeks left out here or whatever. So I guess we'll catch y'all when we catch y'all. So in the meantime, in between time, make sure you like, subscribe, comment to this video. Follow us on our journey because we will be up in you know what and you know who and you know where soon. So why are you looking at me like that? You can put it in the car. Yeah. We will be, you know, where soon or whatever. I'm tired. But I don't know what nephew doing, y'all. But yeah, we'll be on the road soon, you guys. Y'all, he killing me with this jacket. Like, let me see your jacket. What you rapping?
Ready to go to Houston.
You what?
Ready to go to Houston.
Oh, now you ready to go to Houston?
Been ready.
You wasn't ready at first.
I wouldn't though.
Well, you was gonna miss all your friends. Look at my nephew. I love him so much, y'all. But he just killing me because, y'all, this jacket, like, he feel like he have to wear these big old jackets during the summertime or even when it's hot outside. But, y'all, we love y'all. Love and blessings always. Blessings on top of blessings. We just going to do a new fresh start or whatever, getting rid of everything. So, when we do our house tour, we ain't gonna have too much of nothing, but we had a big U-Haul. It's like when we packed up this house, as much stuff that we have put on this street, people came and got it. As much stuff as we sold, I'm thinking I was getting rid of everything, and it still feels like that we still had to get a whole U-Haul truck and then turn around and get that van truck, huh? You can, I don't know.
Put these eggs up here.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So, it just felt like we just kept on. It still was a lot of stuff because coming out of a 5-bedroom house, it's just like you'll never know you had so much stuff. But yeah, I feel like this is where I go. I am one tired piece of Hershey bar. So, yeah. Hey, you looking at Nick? Okay, y'all, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I gotta go. I'm tired.